Hello! In this quick video tutorial, I will guide you on how to connect Housecall Pro Card Reader. So first, you have to make sure that you're logged into your account, and then what you have to do is tap the menu icon in the top right corner, which is right here, and then just click on that. And now that you're here, you will have to click Settings. However, if you cannot see the card reader option, it is because you are using laptop. However, if you are using mobile phone, then you will see card reader as well. And you have to make sure that your card reader is powered on and your Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. You have to follow the on-screen prompts to pair the device, and this usually takes just a few seconds. Once connected, you will see a confirmation in the app. Now, when you're in a job, you can tap collect payment and swipe or dip the card right there. And just like that, you're ready to take payments in the field. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.